Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and Apple is very close to release a new software update, and that will be iOS 17.4.1, and that's just days after releasing iOS 17.4, which was quite a big update with a lot of new features and changes, and some of those actually really important. So we know that this is an urgent update, even without releasing the first beta of iOS 17.5, for which we're going to talk about in a few minutes here. Apple is very close to release iOS 17.4.1, and here's everything you need to know regarding this update, when to expect it, and what to expect from iOS 17.4.1. Now, of course, this being a very small update and also a very urgent update, you cannot expect to see any new features and changes. We will have those on iOS 17.5, even though I doubt there will be a lot on 17.5 as well. But first of all, this update should fix a few different issues with iOS 17.4. Now, the first one probably will be battery drain. Now, a lot of users have been experiencing battery drain issues with 17.4, even though since I have installed this software update on my device since beta 1, actually I've had quite decent battery lives on my device here, and you can see with 75% battery, 8 hours 8 minutes, right here 75% again, 8 hours 47 minutes, right here maybe around 78% battery, 7 hours 47 minutes. So it actually has been quite good. In my experience, I had very good battery life, but a lot of users are actually experiencing bad battery life with 17.4, so that might be an issue that's specific to a few different devices that might be fixed with 17.4.1. Now, another thing, now here's a bug that I have actually experienced on my device with 17.4, which I didn't actually experience before on my device, is freezing usually on apps. Now, usually I've seen this when I use the calculator and the notes app. A lot of users are actually seeing these freezes, a lot of them on the lock screen apps and also on the animations. In my experience, I had those freeze, like a few seconds of freezing on the notes app and the calculator app the most, but it's an issue, it's here, and probably will be fixed with this next update. Now, there will be also another issue with AirPods, for which we probably will get also an update from Apple for the AirPods software, which basically will cause a lot of issues with AirPods. Now, since updating to iOS 17.4, a lot of users have been reporting this. I didn't have that issue, even though I use my AirPods regularly with my iPhone, but there has been actually an issue with the AirPods where the AirPods will just basically turn down the volume or mute themselves or turn up the volume from one, like for one AirPod only and things like that. It's actually kind of crazy what happens there, but hopefully that will be fixed with the new 17.4.1, which actually should be released very soon. Now, this has been spotted on the web. Of course, Apple is testing it, but they won't be releasing a beta for this software update. It will be just released to the public. It might happen as soon as today. If it doesn't happen today, then it might happen tomorrow. If it doesn't, then you can expect it early next week. Probably as soon as Monday, Apple should release this software update. Again, it won't go through any beta stages, but it should be released to the public directly. Now, one other software update which we are expecting maybe as soon as tonight is 17.5 beta 1, and that will of course go through a few beta stages and should have a few new features and changes, even though we're very close now to June and WWDC 2024, where Apple is expected to release the new iOS 18, which should be really big. So I don't expect Apple to focus a lot on adding new features to 17.5, but it should go on beta very soon, probably within a week. So that's basically it for this video, guys. This is everything you can expect from the new iOS 17.4.1, which has now been confirmed, and it should be here any day now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.